What's going on, YouTube? Down here in the booth with it today, y'all. We still waiting on parts on Hyundai, so just gonna do a little work to these little bikes, man. Parts came in on those I was supposed to been doggone. Had these bikes back up and running for some people. And well, one on my brother bike and the other on my homeboy bike. Let me show y'all. Flip y'all around so y'all can see what we got going on. I gotta put this torque converter kit and riser kit on this bike right here. On the Doodlebug. This is my brother bike. He ready to go torque converter, so we finna put a torque converter on that one. Then this my homeboy Duty bike. This my homeboy bike, the Motorvox. He just went to a smaller sprocket, so we gotta shorten his chain up and try to get a tensioner going on with it as well. Then y'all already met Mad Maxine. We in the booth with it today, y'all. We downstairs. We in the booth, man. This the booth. It's my little hangout area, my little chill spot. Just be chilling. But yeah. Y'all know Mad Maxine. Y'all know her. Y'all know her already. So it ain't about her. We finna do this work on this right here and on this right here. So let's get to it. First thing I gotta do is I gotta like I said, I gotta take this motor loose so I can put this riser kit on there. Hopefully it fit. Still gonna fit. Cause I got to raise this whole engine up because this torque converter ain't gonna fit on there with the way the engine sits as it is. It needs a spacer. So the engine got to be pulled so I can put the risers on there and raise it up. So that's what we finna do today to that one. Then, like I said, on that one, we gonna get some tension going and shorten the chain. Oh, I gotta shorten the chain on this one too, because this one gonna be using the belt drive in the front, chain in the back. So I gotta shorten this chain too, man. But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all watching the videos, man. Y'all hitting the like button, subscribing. You know what I'm saying? Hit the bell for notifications, man, so y'all can keep up with content. Like I said, I be trying to drop every other day, man. But yesterday I really ain't had nothing to do, and I had my youngins. So I ain't do nothing yesterday. But today's Sunday, so y'all gonna see this tomorrow morning, Monday morning for y'all. But this my Sunday fun day, y'all. This what we doing today. But y'all stay tuned for some more Honda content. That's gonna be coming. But I had to order, like I said, I got some stuff on order for that transmission, so we can't even put that in yet. And it's cold outside today anyway. So yeah, this gonna be what we doing today. Y'all stay tuned. right, y'all. I got everything loosely put in so far. As y'all can see, got the risers on there. Yep, got them on there. That raised us up a little bit so that we can clear. Now what I'm finna do is gonna go ahead and take this clutch off. Take all this jankiness off of him. This is tensioner setup, y'all, but we ain't gonna need this no more. We ain't gonna need none of that no more. So yeah, we finna go ahead and take all this stuff off now, y'all. All right, y'all. Man, I finally got this thing off. When I tell y'all this clutch was through. Yep. It's rusted all the way through. The keyway messed up. Yeah, y'all. It's grinding. It was barely, it was slipping and everything, man. Like, our last ride, me and my brother, our last ride, he barely made it home. So that's what he said he wanted to do. He wanted to go ahead and go with the torque converter. So now we finna put that on there. But y'all, man, getting this thing off, it just gave me the business. When I tell you this thing was, it was on there. Like it did not want to come off. So yeah, I had to persuade it to come off. I had to beat it a little bit, as y'all seen how I was beating on it. But hopefully it didn't mess up nothing on the motor. I don't think it did nothing to it. These Predator motors, they tough. It ain't did nothing to the inside of it. But now what I'm finna do is finna go ahead and try to get this right here mocked up. Well, if I can get it. Okay. I'm finna get this right here mocked up, y'all. It's gonna go like this. Go right here, and it look like already I see what I'm finna have to do. If y'all can see that right there, I am about to have to cut this off right here. I'm finna chop this off. This is the brace for the pretty much you mount your fender right there on there. But I've seen a lot of people cut this off and it didn't, you know, make it unstable and nothing like that. So yeah, we finna chop this off, because if we don't, then this ain't gonna fit on there. It's not gonna fit. It's hidden right there. It ain't gonna go all the way on there. But I know if we chop it off, it's gonna fit, y'all. So that's what we finna do. Chop that off. And like I said, his bike, my homeboy bike, we gonna get some tension going. Thinking about coming back here with the tensioner. But we gonna see. Because I know that one right there, that tensioner it's not gonna work with the chain length that he got going on. I done took links out this chain and put some in it, and it still just wasn't right. But we finna figure something out though. I might be able to, we gonna figure it out. So y'all just stick with me, man. That's what we doing, man. Sunday fun day. That's what we got going on. cover. Black cover right there. I'm gonna leave that off. I like to show them. That is up to me. Trying to put that together, shorten that up. Everything bolted down. The Honda bike. Got the right. Put them a tension right there. Spring tension. Right. Now he ready to ride. Brother ready to ride again. Y'all know I stay ready to ride. Stay with me. Y'all know I stay with me. Alright, y'all. That's pretty much all we got time for today. As soon as more parts come in for this Honda, we're gonna jump back on that Honda so we can go and knock that out with the 5-speed swap. But until next time, man, y'all stay safe. Y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the bell for notifications so y'all can keep on getting more content from me, man. Y'all stay blessed. Georgia Boy 706. All right.